god, I almost just tripped over the dog. The dog is a trash can. Welcome back. I'm really excited to make this video today. I am part of the Sister Squad. So today, I'm going to... What is the video called? I'm going to be following a James Charles makeup tutorial of James Charles. Now I don't have like Sephora makeup. I have drugstore makeup from Rite Aid. Am I gonna get sister smacked? Love James Charles. Who's James Charles? He's my sister. Let me show you my makeup. Oh my god, no. This is going to be a pain in the butt to get off. When I put on makeup, I have like a line right underneath my eyes. Sister loved that. I have Hot Topic makeup from when I was an emo child. Ow. And I also, oh my god. I have this Tilly's palette that is broken. Okay, sister, ouch. I'm not that kind of a makeup girl. Also, excuse the echo. I don't know why it's echoing. Probably because I'm in the bathroom. Let's watch this sister video so I can sister makeup. Before I do this, I should probably put my hair up.
Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube.
It looks like he already like put like the foundation and concealer on his face. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. I'm gonna do this part on my own because I don't forget how to do this. There's a fly stuck in the bathroom and it's so loud. Oh my god. So let's start applying the foundation. Wait, how do I sister do this? Oh my god! Is this how much sister foundation you're supposed to put on your face? Probably not. This hurts! Why do you YouTubers even do this? This literally hurts my head and I'm dabbing as hard as I can. Does that look good? Can you not? So I think the next part is concealer. Okay, let's put on concealer. Gotta put on our concealer. Here's a little story time. So in my drama class, we are actually writing our own show. I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh.
Sister, are you okay?
I know that you're supposed to contour, but every time I use this frickin' stick thing, it just doesn't work. Let's try to sister contour though. Skinny as a skinny legend. Okay, sisters, I think we have to blend now. I have no idea how to do this. Do I look insane? Is it bad that I'm kind of digging this? No, my eyebrows! I think we sister done it. Let's move on to the eyeshadow. Oh, by the way, I have my own merch. Use code James for 10% off.
You can use code James for 10% off your purchase at morphebrushes.com.
Okay, he said I don't have the M4 brush, but I'm gonna just take my brush and write it. Okay, it looks like he put like a little bit of the little orange kind of color. Ugh. Okay.
I'm just popping the shade right up in the crease and blending it out using windshield wiper motions. And I'm actually not tapping off the brush before I apply this color. We definitely want this to be very, very vibrant.
I don't want to look. I'm so scared. I look like a straight up Cheeto Puff. No, I look like somebody just threw a Cheeto Puff at me. And then I swallowed it. And then my eye became a Cheeto Puff. So that's probably one right there.
normally when I would do crease shade, I would always hold the brush like this.
What am I doing? That is it? My eyelashes are orange! This looks like it, yeah. That's a reddish tone brown. Don't know, whatever he says. Oh my god, ow. Guys, it's official. I am a beauty guru. Look how good I look. Oh my god, we're going in. Sisters, we need the Hot Topic palette. Looks like a brown shade kind of color. I'm gonna go with that one. This is what happens when you try to make makeup better. Oh my god. My mom is literally just gonna come and be like, what the frick are you doing? My makeup. What do you think I'm doing? My eye is burning. I don't have lashes, so I'm just gonna use mascara. He also did under his eye, and I really don't want to do that because it's gonna be stuck under my eye all day. Yeah, there we go. I mean, it still looks good. And now I have to do the other side. Okay. There is so much dust on my carpet. Wait, what is this thumbnail? Sisters, if you watched through this, you must have a lot of time on your hands. Thanks for watching my holiday sleigh. When you eat Thanksgiving, make sure not to ruin your lips. Thanks for watching my following a James Charles makeup tutorial video. I'm so proud that I did it because it's so good. Thanks for watching. Ugh.
Loving is easy, you have me fucked up.